Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio.
Today we're drawing Labubu.
Labubus! It's going to be a super easy and fun drawing, so come join us. Alright guys, let's get started with drawing the Labubu. I'm super excited. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
So what we're going to do is I'm going to turn the paper this way and I'm going to turn it for Emmy as well. It's like the Labubu is going to be popping out from the side. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a big oval. Just an oval.
It starts like a rainbow.
It starts like a rainbow, yeah. You could look at it like that. And I'm going to just turn my paper because it helps me.
That's nice.
There we go. That's a good oval. Okay, so there we go. Then we're just going to draw the outline of the body, not the whole body. So what we're going to do is I'm going to draw a curve that comes out and to the side of the paper. And then we're going to do one more on this side, and we're just going to curve the opposite way, just like that. And then the arms, to separate it, we're going to leave space, right? We're going to come over, and I'm going to just make a curve that also goes down. Good job. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So we left space here and space here, and we're just going to make a curve that goes to the paper. Perfect. So we have the outline of the head and a little bit of the body. So what we could do is we could do the inside where his eyes and his mouth is going to be. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a curve just like this curve, right? Just like this curve, just on the inside. And I'm going to come here and I'm just going to curve like this, but I'm going to stop. So I'm just going to make something that looks like a C, but backward. And then we're going to do the same thing on the left side. So I'm going to make a C, but like a regular C. So this is where his face is going to be. The reason we did it like this is because we're going to like make little curves, little details. Wow. So what I'm going to do is at the top, in the middle, I'm going to come down and make a little point. So from this point, we're going to make little zigzags. And then we're going to connect it here, okay? And we're going to make something that looks like the letter V, okay? So I'm going to come up this way and up this way. Good job. Okay, so remember the head's like this, right? We're drawing it like this first, so this is like straight. And then we're going to come down like a mountain and back up. And then we're going to go down one more time. And then we're just going to make two mountains to connect this. And then we're going to do the zigzags going this way. Good job. So there we have the top of the head. These are just little details. And then we could do the bottom. So look, I'm going to come down, right? I'm going to make a little point here, and I'm going to come down here. So I came down from the zigzags, right? All I'm going to do is make a little curve like this. Just a tiny one. Perfect, perfect. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the side just a little bit. We're going to come down with a little straight line. And then we're going to curve up again. And then we're going to go down with a straight line just a little bit. And then we're just going to curve to connect like that. So we're going to do the same design on this side. Perfect. There we have the outline of the head. And then we could just draw the details inside. So we have two eyes, a big smile with a lot of teeth and ears, and we're done. So what we could do is, right where this zigzag ends, we can make a curve like a smiley face. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So where I stop the zigzag is where I'm going to start. And I'm just going to make a curve like a smiley face. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do the outline of the smiley face just so we know where the eyes stop. So I'm going to come here. I leave a little bit of space on this side too, and then I'm just going to draw a big smiley face. And that's where all his teeth are going to go. He has a lot of teeth. Okay, so there we have the smile, right? We got a big smile. It looks so silly right now. But then from here, it looks like the eyes are closed.
Yeah.
So then what we're going to do is right on the smiley face we drew, we're going to draw a big oval that almost touches this. So look, I'm going to draw an oval that's attached to this. And I'm going to come around, make an oval, and then come back up. Yeah, it's like super close to the mouth. So just draw an oval, a big one. And it has to be wide, okay? Because we have to draw eyeballs on the inside. And then, guys, we're going to do the same oval on this side. And then we could continue with the details of the eyes. So inside the eyes, we're going to do a big mountain. So it looks like an oval, just upside down. And I'm going to start from the bottom. I'm going to come up a big hill or a big mountain and come to the other side. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So look, I'm going to come up here. I'm going to draw a big oval and then connect it to the bottom. And then for the details insides, we're just going to draw smaller circles. So right towards the top, almost close to the top, we're just going to draw a circle in the middle. And we'll do it in both eyes. All right, now we could do the ears. The ears are super cool and they're big and they're fluffy. So what we're going to do is we're going to start from where the zigzags, the first mountain starts. So I'm going to come up. I'm going to draw a point here. And then where this zigzag is, I'm going to draw a point here. And then we could draw the ears. So look, we're going to come up with a little vertical line, right? So go up straight just a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to go into the side just a little bit. And then we're going to curve up again to the side. And then we're going to dip back down to the side. And then we can make the ear. So we're going to come here. We're going to curve like an ear. And then from this curve, we're just going to go back to the head. And there we have big floppy ears. Nice. And then in the inside, we'll do the details. So there's like another layer. And what we're going to do is right from the bottom, I'm just going to draw a little point. And then we're going to just make the same curves like the ears. So I'm going to curve down. It's like super thin. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. All right, guys. So then we're going to do that same design for the other ear.
That's so cool.
So we have the ears and all we need is the nose and the teeth and we are done with the Labubu. So the nose looks like a triangle but upside down. So right in between the eyes, right in the middle, we're going to draw one horizontal line just like this. And then we're going to make a triangle but upside down. So a triangle has 3 points and it looks like this. And what we're going to do is I'm going to come down to the side and then down to the side the other way, and we'll just connect it. So there we have the nose, and now all we have left are the cool spiky teeth. So right in the middle of that zigzag, right in the middle of the nose, I'm gonna make a little point, and then we're just gonna make triangles again. So we're gonna come to the side like a triangle, and then connect it to the mouth. There's one tooth. And then we're just going to make a lot of teeth. So we're going to make them big. We're not going to make them small. We're going to make them big like this. So I started here and I'm going to leave a lot of space. And I'm just going to come and connect like that. Cool, guys. And then we're just going to continue throughout the whole mouth.
Good job.
And there we have it, guys. There we have the Labubu. They look so good. They look a little creepy because they're not colored in yet. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to color it in. And I know what color I'm doing, but you guys have to stay tuned and see the final product. So grab whatever crayons, markers you have, and let's get drawing, or coloring, I should say. All right, guys, there we have our Labubus. They look so cool. They look like they're popping out of the paper.
Yes.
It's so cool. I know Emmy Girls' name is Toffee because look at this thing. Oh, it looks the same, right?
Yeah, it looks so much
So
the
this
same.
one's Toffee. I don't know what the pink one is, but if you guys do, let me know.
I know.
Which one?
It's cherry berry.
Cherry berry. All right, so she says it's cherry berry. We're going to look into that. But hopefully you guys found it fun and easy. And stay tuned for more cool drawings. I'll see you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe.
Like
See
and
ya.
subscribe.